Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
I'm a street photographer. Can I take some of your photos? It's for Instagram and YouTube purpose.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to take 2 minutes of yours, that's it, okay? Yeah. Any one review about this experience in your native language?
Friendly experience लगा.
Yes.
Which मतलब मुझे बहुत पसंद आया.
You can also hold your bag. By the way, nice still over there.
Thank
You know what is still? So I can hold your bag.
And you know when you ask and everything just vanishes.
That's what.
Yeah.
Now I can hold your bag. Hi. Okay. You're very confident actually. Like, you know.
I feel very nervous.
And also a bit confident in front of the camera. My name is Anil. What's your name?
My name is Tanisha.
Tanisha.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi Tanisha. Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow.
Lucknow. Okay. According to you, what is famous in Lucknow?
Lucknow is famous for so many things. Like it's chicken curry, it's food.
Okay.
It's people, the culture, the monuments.
Yes,
It's
yes,
a very
yes.
charming city.
Oh, that's a huge list, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
Like around 5 months.
5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. The purpose of being in Bangalore?
I'm doing a master's here.
Your masters.
Yeah.
Based on what?
Huh?
Masters on what
I'm
subject?
doing an MSc in neuropsychology.
Okay, neuropsychology. It's about human. Human or
It's
what?
about like how your psychology also is influenced by your brain's biological processes
Okay, it's about
and everything.
mind,
Yeah, more
like
or less.
physiotherapy.
No, not physiotherapy. More around the
Medicines.
domains of not exactly rehab.
Okay, rehab.
Rehab,
yeah,
assessing
okay,
your cognitive functions,
yeah,
your
yeah,
memory,
yeah.
and everything.
Okay. I
Brain
understood.
injuries,
I
all
understand.
that. Yeah.
So, like, what do you want to become in future? Any ambitions you have?
Right, I'll pursue neuropsychology only, but more in a clinical domain.
Clinical domain.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open your own clinic over here?
Not over here. Like
that-
sometime in the future, yes, I want to open a clinic. But yes, I want to work
Like
with
expand your
patients,
branch.
Patients with brain injury and everything.
Okay. Yeah. I wish you all the best for that. Do you have a favorite actor of yours?
Huh?
Actor in general.
Favorite actor? I'm not very much into movies or series, so
Okay.
no.
So it's a no.
Yeah.
Any favorite song of yours?
Right now,
What are you listening
that's
to?
a difficult question. You know, when you ask and everything just vanishes.
That's what.
Yeah. There's this cover of Do I Wanna Know by Hosier going around.
Okay. Do I want
That's
to
my
know?
favorite right now.
I'll search that. And by the way, nice still over there.
Oh,
You
thank
know
you.
what is still?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice still. Stand over here. I know. I saw you guys over there, and someone interrupted you. So I thought I was waiting for you guys to get free. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Just the way you are. If you want to adjust something
Yeah.
with your hairs, with the brush, you can actually adjust.
Okay.
You can also hold your bag if you want,
Alright, okay.
for you to be more, comfortable with the camera. So I can hold your bag, just in case. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, okay, fine. If you feel it's cool, it's cool. Yeah. Some 50 photos over here.
Oh my god.
We'll see the photos. It's like a sequence.
Oh, these are pretty.
Somewhere, I'm going to just show you. You can choose any which is perfect for you. The photos.
Okay, I'll just tell you which ones I don't want.
Yeah, definitely. I'll also show you that. We'll do some more photos. Like, just be the way you are. You can, switch the poses. I'll walk around you. Okay. Ready? Over here. You're very confident, actually. Like,
I feel very nervous.
and also a bit confident in front of the camera. Some 50 photos again. So we'll see the photos.
Oh, I hate that one.
It's okay.
No, these okay. Please.
Yeah.
They're not nice.
Yeah, it's okay. Like, some candid moments of yours.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the smiling ones are nice.
Yes.
I think only.
This is good.
No.
This is not good. Okay, yeah, you're like mewing. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I think only the smiling ones are nice.
Okay, it's okay. I'll show you the whole sequence.
Yeah.
one last, okay?
Alright.
Just walk towards the camera.
Huh?
Walk towards the camera with your walking. Now I can hold it back.
Incomplete.
Uh,
What do you want? All this.
it's gonna become like a video. I'm gonna turn it into a slow motion video.
Okay. Let's keep it that.
Hi, okay,
There's
okay.
a lot of accessories on it.
Okay. I'll tell you where to stop. We can go over there. Walk from there. Stop here, okay? Stop here and just do something with the hairs. Huh? Okay. Yeah. That was very cute of yours. You actually understood the assignment over there. That you did not want to be interrupted. It's good. I'm gonna surprise you with this. It's gonna turn into a slow motion video. Any one review about this experience in your native language?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये बहुत क्विक था एंड मुझे अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं लगा बिल्कुल एंड फ्रेंडली एक्सपीरियंस था काफ़ी
Yes.
मतलब मुझे बहुत पसंद आया वो
Yes. Thank you for that. I hope to see you again.